Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft People for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 1, an introduction. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to Office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to Explore all the applications, and now search for the application Microsoft People as seen on screen. So before we click on this, let's just explain and talk about what this application really is about. So we can use this application, Microsoft People, to organize your contacts and information for all the friends and family, colleagues, and acquaintances. So before the internet became what it is today, we used to have physical copies of books and diaries that had the information for the friends, families, colleagues, and acquaintances. But nowadays it's different. Everything has been digitalized, so we can move away from the physical copies and insert all the data to a database, to an application, to online storage, and everything should be there. Whereas, let's say 30 years ago, we were writing everything down in a diary. If we lost that diary, it would be a headache, as we would then not be able to retrieve the data unless we had multiple copies of that information. But today, we have that information stored online, so we can then have access to it for a longer time. So let's now click on People. And so we are now presented with the user interface on screen as part of Microsoft Outlook. This will allow us to create contacts. We'll have a contact list. We can delete contacts we no longer require. We will then have folders and groups, directories of all the information. So that's it for this tutorial. That's the introduction to Microsoft People that will allow us to store our contacts within Outlook. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.